How to change music cover in Instagram story. First of all, open the application Spotify. Move into the song or search for the song that you want to add it to your story. Tap on the song that you want to add. Tap on the share icon and then click on Instagram. Once you are in the story, you can adjust this icon. Now tap on the sticker icon at the top. Scroll down and you'll get to see this icon. Tap on it. It will open up your gallery. Select any of the picture that you want to make it as a music cover. Let me just select this picture for now. Now you can simply adjust this picture and make it as a music cover. So there you can see that your music cover has been successfully changed. So this is all for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to change music cover on Instagram story. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for staying with us till the end.